Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to ask for clipboard permission on X, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC. If you've been seeing the app struggle to read or share copied text, this quick guide will help you enable clipboard access safely and easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your desktop. As soon as it loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the familiar 3 dots. That's your menu button. Click on it. From the drop-down list that appears, scroll down and select Privacy. This section controls how your data and permissions are managed inside the app. Next, within the Privacy menu, click on Manage Privacy Settings. This is where you'll find all the key controls for things like cookies, location, notifications, and yes, your clipboard permissions. After entering Manage Privacy Settings, locate the section labeled Permissions for this site. This part lets you choose exactly what the X app can access while you're using it on your PC browser or installed version. Click on it to open the full list of available permissions. Now, you'll see several toggles and options, but the one we're looking for is Clipboard. By default, it might be set to Block or Allow. Instead of picking either, go ahead and select Ask next to Clipboard. This ensures that each time X wants to read from your clipboard, it will ask for your confirmation first. It's the perfect balance between convenience and privacy. Once you've made that change, simply close the Settings tab. The app will automatically save your preference. The next time you copy text and paste it into a post or reply, you'll see a small pop-up asking for access. Just confirm when you're comfortable. And that's it. You've successfully set clipboard permission to ask on the X app for PC. This quick update gives you more control over your data while keeping your experience smooth and secure.